In front of me is DOOGEE Fire 7, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or a video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. When you're ready to create a voice memo within an app and send it, click on this icon at the bottom right corner. Then use microphone button to start recording. And when you're finished, you can either click on restart to start over, this red button to pause and listen to your voice memo here, or attach to add it to your message right away. Even if you attach it, you will still be able to listen to it. If you want to add already existing audio file, use this plus at the bottom left corner. Hit Files section here. Tap on Audio at the top and either look for your sound here, look for it in one of those apps, or what most people miss, by clicking those three lines at the top left corner to access all of those sources. Either way, when you find your file, tap on it to add it. To add a video one, click on this icon at the bottom right corner of a camera and a photo. Now to record a video and add it, tap on those two arrows at the top right corner of camera section. Switch to video at the bottom. Adjust your camera and record your video. When you're finished, it will be automatically attached. To add already existing one, you can either click on it here, or if you can't find it, select folders and look for it here. Then tap on it to add it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!